What would you need to survive if society collapsed tomorrow? It's a stark question we should all consider. Out here, I've learned that being prepared is crucial. This isn't about paranoia, it's about practicality. Let's dive into 35 essential items for survival. Get ready to be prepped for anything. Now I know what you're thinking. Bear's gone and put alcohol at the top of the list. But in a survival situation, high percentage alcohol can be a lifesaver. It's a powerful disinfectant, vital for cleaning wounds and preventing infections. Plus, alcohol can be a valuable bartering tool. In a world without money, trade becomes the name of the game. This right here is not just for leftovers. A simple roll of aluminum foil can be your best friend in the wild. Cook over open fires, reflect heat like a charm. Signal for help, reflect sunlight for miles. Create a makeshift water collection system, essential for hydration. This might seem like something from your granny's cupboard, but baking soda is a survival essential. It's a hygiene lifesaver. Use it as toothpaste, deodorant, or to treat insect bites. Without pharmacies, it's your go-to remedy. In a world without petrol, your fancy car becomes a big paperweight. You need reliable, fuel-free transportation. That's where bicycles come in. A bike can be a lifeline for scavenging, transporting goods, or escaping danger quickly. When the grid goes down, so does the internet. Need to build a shelter, identify edible plants, or just escape? Books are your portable library of wisdom. Knowledge is power, and in survival, it keeps hope alive. Out here, insects are more than just a nuisance. They can be a serious threat to your health. Bug spray becomes your first line of defense. Trust me, a few bites might not seem like much, but in a survival situation, even a small infection can escalate into a life-threatening problem. In a post-collapse world, you might not have a roof over your head. Reliable camping gear is essential. A sturdy tent protects you from the elements, and a warm sleeping bag keeps you comfortable at night. When the power goes out, a candle can be a beacon of hope. They provide light and warmth, especially in a small space. They can also be used for cooking and boiling water. Ensure you have a supply of long-burning candles and matches. Hygiene might not be the first thing that comes to mind in a survival situation, but it's crucial. Without proper sanitation, diseases can spread like wildfire. Soap, bleach, hand sanitizer, these are necessities. Staying clean is about staying healthy and increasing your chances of survival. Forget those fancy designer threads. Durability is key in survival. Sturdy boots protect your feet and layered clothing adapts to weather. Be practical and ready for nature. This might raise a few eyebrows, but trust me, condoms are incredibly versatile in survival situations. Need a waterproof container? Condom. A makeshift water carrier? Condom. Even a slingshot in a pinch. Forget about those fancy gadgets and single-use plastic. For survival, you need durable utensils. A good knife, metal fork and spoon, and a sturdy cooking pot. These tools will help you prepare food and survive. If you have young children, you know how important it is to be prepared. In a post-collapse world, baby supplies like diapers and formula might be scarce. Stocking up ensures you can provide for your little ones even in challenging circumstances. Survival isn't just about physical needs, it's also about mental well-being. Pack a deck of cards, a board game, or even a coloring book and pencils. These simple things can boost morale and remind you there's room for joy and connection. Fire is life. It provides warmth, light, and the ability to cook. Knowing how to start and maintain a fire is essential. Fire can be a beacon of hope. Mastering it is a fundamental survival skill. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential in any survival situation. Bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, everything to treat minor injuries and prevent infections. Take a first aid course and familiarize yourself with your kit. In a crisis, you might be the first responder. Your knowledge could save a life. When your food supplies run low, knowing how to fish can be a lifesaver. A basic fishing kit rod, line, hooks, and bait can be your lifeline to fresh protein. Fishing isn't just a hobby, it's a vital survival skill. When darkness falls in a post-collapse world, it can be terrifying and disorienting. A reliable flashlight is essential for navigating, signaling for help, and maintaining security. Stock up on high-quality batteries, and consider a hand-crank flashlight or solar-powered for long-term use. Light is your friend in the dark, and staying illuminated makes all the difference. Your feet are your transportation in a survival scenario, and they need protection. Invest in durable, comfortable boots with ankle support to withstand rough terrain. The right footwear can mean the difference between covering ground and being stranded. When society collapses, supermarkets are no longer an option. A shovel, a rake, a hoe, these tools help you grow your own food, becoming self-sufficient. Learn gardening basics, choose crops for your climate, and start your own edible garden. Growing your own food is a sustainable way to provide for yourself and your loved ones. When the grocery stores are empty, you'll need to rely on your instincts and skills. A bow and arrow, a hunting knife, traps, combined with knowledge of local wildlife, can provide sustenance. Remember, hunting is about more than just taking a life. It's about respecting nature and providing for your family. GPS and smartphones might be useless, but the sun, stars, and a good compass never lose signal. A compass, a map, and reading the terrain guide you through unfamiliar territory. Learn to orient yourself, take bearings, and navigate using natural landmarks. Knowing where you are and where you're going is crucial for survival. Forget those perishable delights. We're talking about long-haul essentials. Rice, beans, canned goods, dried meat foods that last months, even years. Build a stockpile for extended periods. Reliable nourishment is paramount in survival. Access to pharmacies might be limited, so having essential medications is crucial. Stock up on prescriptions, pain relievers, antiseptics, and anything else you need to manage your health. Staying clean isn't just about comfort, it's about preventing infections and maintaining well-being. Soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toilet paper, these everyday items become essential for hygiene and sanitation in survival situations. When paper money loses value, gold and silver become valuable bartering tools. Coins or bars can be used to acquire goods and services when traditional currency is no longer accepted. In a world without internet or television, a simple radio can be your lifeline. Battery-powered or hand-crank radios tune in to emergency broadcasts, news updates, and connect with survivors. Knowledge is power. Stay connected. Proper sanitation is vital for a healthy environment and stopping the spread of diseases. Garbage bags, toilet paper, bleach. These are necessities for maintaining hygiene in your living space. Good sanitation practices prevent illnesses and ensure group well-being. Forget relying on supermarkets. In a post-collapse world, heirloom seeds are like gold. Save and replant heirloom seeds yearly for a sustainable future. Choose vegetables, fruits, and herbs that thrive in your climate. Planting a seed is an act of hope, ensuring self-sufficiency for generations to come. In a post-collapse world, personal security is paramount. Learn basic self-defense techniques, familiarize yourself with firearms, and secure your shelter. Remember, your safety is your responsibility, and being prepared is crucial in uncertain times. When your clothes rip or gear fails, sewing can mean the difference between protection and exposure. A needle, thread, scissors, and basic sewing skills are invaluable for repairs. Repairing your gear extends its lifespan, keeping you protected in challenging conditions. In a world without electricity, a solar charger is a godsend. Harness the sun to charge essential devices like your radio, flashlight, or satellite phone. Invest in a durable, portable solar charger. The sun provides free, renewable energy, and a solar charger lets you tap into that power. A good set of tools is essential for repairs, construction, and survival tasks. Hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, saw, basic tools every handyman needs. Fixing, building, and adapting are crucial for survival. Water is life, But in a survival situation, finding clean water can be a challenge. Boiling, using purification tablets, or a portable filter can mean the difference between staying hydrated and getting sick. Learn different methods, practice them, and always have a backup plan. Staying hydrated is crucial for survival, and ensuring your water source is safe can save your life. In the wild, organization is key. Ziploc bags are waterproof vaults for essentials. Keep matches dry, protect electronics, organize your first aid kit. These bags are incredibly versatile. We've covered a lot today, from shelter and fire to hygiene and mental well-being. Being prepared isn't about living in fear. It's about taking responsibility for your safety and loved ones. Start gradually, build supplies, practice skills, and educate yourself. Stay safe and remember, the human spirit is resilient. Get prepared and stay strong.